Hello guys, welcome back. If you have gone through my yesterday's video, I was speaking about Bank Nifty has entered multi-day balance low from November, and there is a good possibility of 52,000, and there is also a possibility prices might come down to 51,800 to 51,900. So if at all any acceptance below, there is a good possibility further down move towards 51,600 to 51,500 levels in futures is very much possible. I was speaking. If you look at today, Bank Nifty futures gap down itself is below 52,000, and immediately it made a low at 51,394, and it went into a sideways market. Here in this video, we will look at how Bank Nifty and Nifty has reacted based on market profile and order flow analysis, and we will look at the key levels we need to watch for tomorrow. Welcome back to the channel. I am Dilip. First of all, let's analyze Bank Nifty futures. So what happened is, because of global markets closing at 3% negative, all indices have opened strongly gap down, and Bank Nifty itself has opened down at 51,660 levels, and it made a low at 51,387, and the high itself is at 51,928 levels. So why it happened is because if you look at in the first 30 minutes itself, at the lower levels there is a good amount of volume clusters, and at the same time at the higher levels, if you look at, there is a good delta divergence. So because of that strong delta divergence and lack of passive buying at the higher levels, there was a strong pullback towards the volume clusters, and it took a strong support around these volume clusters, and there was a higher high. So if you look at again at the same time, as the prices is moving up continuously, negative delta is coming in 1.1k 471, and here 393 divergence itself. So all these things indicated that there could be a strong move either side. So there was a up move, but at the same time, despite of 4.3k delta, Bank Nifty futures itself has closed below the caught levels, indicating some absorption is happening at higher levels. So the prices again went down, and there was a sideways market. What we should be looking for Bank Nifty tomorrow is that, if you look at today, the profile itself is below the previous multi-day balance low at 52,000 levels. So we can call this as a clean breakout with the gap being strong imbalance levels. So unless again the prices goes above 52,050 to 52,100 levels, there is a good possibility sellers will come in and push the prices to further down levels. For any kind of further down levels, watch for 51,350 to 250 levels. Any acceptance below these levels, there is a good possibility prices will get accepted inside Wednesday 13th November, and we might see the first target 51,020 levels, and second target 50,750 levels. And again below these levels, there is a good possibility strong down move all the way down to 50,200 levels will be possible. For up move, watch for 52,050 to 52,100 levels. Any acceptance here, we might see 52,300 levels, and there is a good possibility of 52,500 to 52,650 levels. This is with Bank Nifty, guys. Coming to Nifty, guys, yesterday I was speaking about Nifty itself has got accepted inside the multi-day balance from November, and the multi-day balance low itself is around 24,090 to 24,160 levels. So I was speaking, there is a good possibility these levels might get tested. So what happened today is in Nifty is that prices itself has opened at 24,100, and it made a low at 23,920 levels, and it went into a sideways market in the first 30 minutes. But why this sideways market has happened? You have very good clues inside in order flow. So one thing is that today is expiry. Second thing is that if you look at the lower levels, we have strong volume clusters which acted as a very good support. At the same time, in fifth candle, you have a strong 3.7k passive buyer. So once the prices have got clustered between these volume clusters on either side, it's clear indication that it is going to be a sideways market, which happened exactly. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking is that watch for these levels, guys. So there is a good possibility prices might come down to 23,876, and 23,800 is also very much possible, because the imbalance itself is at 23,800, which has not been tested in the last expiry. So it is going to be a sell on rise unless the prices gets accepted above 24,160 to 24,200 levels. Further down move, watch for 23,730 to 750 levels. Any acceptance here, strong sellers in November month, they will try to take control, pushing the prices down to 23,560 levels, and then all the way down to 23,380 levels, and our target as 23,320 levels. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. This is with Nifty guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.